And, I need to check on the internet to see if these are also available in other countries. So I'm not going to say they're exclusive to Japan yet because I don't know for sure. But there are a lot of these kinds of specialty flavors that are only available depending on the season. Japan in general is really well known for having very seasonal foods. You have a whole diet that changes basically, and it kind of changes with the season to follow with that. I don't really feel that very much in the States. People want to eat something, they just kind of eat it no matter what time of year it is. The only exception being barbecue time. You can't do that all year long, but then you can get these indoor grill systems and stuff too. Fancy cooking, you can do pretty much whatever you want, whenever you want. But things here are very, based on the season, what's fresh, what's in season in terms of vegetables, what's in season, what are the catches of the day for fish, those kinds of things. So definitely a feel for the season. And since we're in fall now, there's a lot of specialty kinds of flavors coming out. Haagen-Dazs has delicious special flavors that, they make really good matcha tea, ice cream, of course. And these are some of the new ones that I just noticed that I didn't notice last year. So maybe I just wasn't looking. Who knows, right? But the first one is pumpkin flavored. And then this one is murasaki imo, which is sweet potato, but purple colored. So two huge identifiers for fall. One of the others that was part of this series was coffee milk, and I didn't get it. I did eat it. I hate it already, but it was really good. Their, grip on what tastes like good coffee is outstanding, so it was really a good ice cream. So this is just kind of an idea to kind of let you guys know. These are the two that are out. I'm going to let you guys see them. I'm a little super nervous because I hate pumpkin. I hate pumpkin pie. I hate pumpkin flavored anything. It's just nasty. So go figure, right? But pumpkins in Japan, in case you didn't know, are all green on the outside. We don't have orange pumpkins that are orange on the outside. They're usually smaller, and we do cook with them a lot. You see them oftentimes used for tempura, and they also are used for pumpkin soups, lots of different things. So maybe not so much in the sweet sector. I think, the whole pumpkin pie thing is sort of an American thing, and so they kind of copy that as much as they can. So I'll show you guys here. These are just those little single servings. How much are in these little guys? 120 milliliters. It's a mini cup, which is a really standard kind of size for things here. So we'll give it a shot. We'll have to see if I like it or not. Whoa, that's yellow. Very yellow. Very pumpkin-y. So, ice cream doesn't smell, does it? Sorry. Alright, so this one looks like it does have some bits of some kind of like a sauce inside. Yeah, it tastes like pumpkin. But I mean, it's Haagen-Dazs, right? So it's good, but if you're not a huge fan of pumpkin, maybe you wouldn't like it. Like, I wouldn't say, oh, I'd rather eat this than macadamia nut. Yeah, I'd obviously much rather eat macadamia nut. But still, if you like pumpkin, or you just like ice cream, this is pretty good. The flavor is light, and then there is, like I said, there's this like kind of swirl of some sauce inside of the cream. So something to check out if you get a chance to get your hands on it. It's alright. I was kind of hoping they'd make me fall in love with pumpkin, but not the case. So anyways, the other one, the sweet potato. This is a huge part of fall in Japan. When the sweet potatoes are ready to take out of the garden, everybody goes out and picks them out. And it's really common to have like little sweet potato parties where everybody rolls them up in the aluminum foil and puts them in a big, kind of like a big oil, an empty oil bin or barrel. You cook them there, and then you can eat them with gloves on. You kind of take off all the wrapping and eat them. The image for that's really strong. And of course the potatoes can be lots of different colors. Usually those are more of a reddish color with a kind of yellowy inside. But then there's also these purpley ones, which are cool if you can get your hands on them. So here we go. This one, purple, definitely purple, but not like purple like the actual potato is, which can be really surprising. Kind of a cute little purpley lavender color with that little swirl inside for the flavors. So I do like these guys, so we'll see how this tastes. It tastes kind of like sweet potato. Yeah, you can kind of taste it, of course. That's pretty good. I think if you blindfolded somebody though, they may not be able to guess what this is. Because I'm looking at it, I know what it is, but it doesn't scream sweet potato, I don't think. Maybe because usually it's not that sweet in general. But both really good flavors, I think. You know, I think my favorites are still some other ones that I enjoy more. But still kind of a fun thing if you're looking for something fresh and new for the season. You can check these out. Haagen-Dazs in Japan is really popular. Sometimes you can find stores where they actually, you know, the actual like ice cream parlor that's Haagen-Dazs, but I've noticed the only one I knew of around our area here closed recently. So, but buying them like this as a mini cup is really common. Probably the most common way is to buy this little 6-pack, and the cup size is actually even smaller than this. And people bring that when they go to a friend's house for dinner or something to kind of share for dessert time. These mini cups are available. They are usually pretty expensive though. I was able to find these at our local Cosmos drugstore, and so they were quite a bit less expensive. They came in under 200 yen, which is pretty good for one of these guys. So yeah, definitely something to check out if you guys get a chance.